I absolutely love IKEA and how it combines great design with affordability. While not all of their items are known for their durability and sophistication, there are many beautiful pieces that can rival more expensive options and elevate a room when paired with the right elements. Before we jump into the list, let me quickly mention that some of the items here are not exactly cheap, especially the larger furniture pieces. But I often find that they are among the most affordable options compared to other retailers. So without further ado, join me as we explore 20 expensive-looking IKEA items that are worth buying in 2024, in my opinion. The Atabo sofa stands out with its modular design, allowing you to customize its configuration to fit your space perfectly. The sofa is upholstered in a high-quality, durable fabric that can withstand daily wear and tear, and also have a beautiful texture. Another great feature of this series is the storage space under the seat of each module, an invaluable bonus for any space. The green one is my favorite, but it also comes in beige and gray. The heel tarp is an inviting family sofa that has that modern farmhouse look thanks to its cover that extend all the way to the ground. This line has multiple options to fit any space, including a love seat, a full-size sofa, and a sofa bed. And it also comes in several different colors, but this Grand Natural one is my favorite to bring that cozy and bright touch to the living room. This chair blends classic and modern Scandinavian design elements to create a stylish and functional sitting option. Its frame is made from solid beech and beech veneer, ensuring stability and longevity. The seat is made of hard woven paper cord, a comfortable and resistant material that also creates a beautiful contrast to the dark colors available for the frame. This chair's elegant design and high-quality materials make it a great addition to any home, providing both comfort and style. The Stockholm stool is a versatile piece that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Its frame is crafted from solid acacia wood, known for its durability and resistant to the elements. The stool's simple design and sturdy construction make it a practical sitting option for various settings, from patios to living rooms. The natural wood finish adds a touch of rustic charm, while the compact size allows for easy storage and mobility. The Frixus cabinet offers ample storage space with a stylish design that complements any room. Crafted from solid acacia wood and other particle board pieces with eucalyptus veneer, its round edges and warm-colored stain make this piece stand out no matter where it is. It's also a great piece to add texture to a room thanks to the naturally beautiful rattan. Inside, it features spacious shelves concealed by the easy-to-open doors with magnetic fittings. This cabinet would be a perfect addition to an entryway, dining or living room and surely has that expensive look. The low-marp TV bench combines style and functionality, providing a sturdy base for your television along with ample storage for media accessories. Constructed from a mix of solid wood, particle board and fiberboard, this TV bench is designed for durability and stability. The dark blue-green finish along with the brass handles gives it a sophisticated look. This piece's classic design adds a touch of elegance to any room and can be used both as a media console and a sideboard. This cabinet, made with walnut veneer and solid ash legs, adds a warm, natural ambience to any room. The distinctive grain pattern in the walnut veneer gives each piece a unique character, and since walnut is naturally hard-wearing, this cabinet is made to last. Deep shelves and two large drawers offer ample storage space for items, while push openers provide a streamlined look without handles or knobs. With its rich, natural wood tone and a minimalist design, this piece would add sophistication to an entryway, living room, or bedroom. The Bagboda side table is a new version of the 1971's Chromie coffee table and features a sleek, modern design. Its compact size and stylish look make it perfect for any living space. The table surface is finished with a durable veneer that is easy to clean and maintain. This side table's elegant design and practical functionality make it a versatile addition to a modern and creative interior. The Frixos desk combines functionality with a touch of elegance. The rattan frame and eucalyptus veneer tabletop will bring a lot of texture and warmth to any space, and its spacious work surface and stylish design make it perfect for any home office or study area. If I didn't have a desk already, I would probably consider getting this one. The two-fjord bed creates a modern design with a comfortable upholstered headboard for reading, watching TV, or just relaxing in bed. The upholstery fits perfectly around the bed, ensuring it looks great from every angle and making it ideal for placing in the center of the room. It's available in two upholstery options, a light gray and a navy blue, which is the most expensive looking one in my opinion, with a rich velvety look. To make it even better, I would prefer to switch the metal legs for solid wood ones, but this bed's high quality construction and elegant look make it a perfect addition to any bedroom, offering both comfort and style. The Daisy lamp's clean lines and minimalist design make it a stylish addition to any home. Its simple mushroom shape and neutral colors are timeless, with the opal glass beautifully diffusing light, resulting in a soft and cozy atmosphere. I have one in my living room, and I paired it with a thread-free bowl with remote control so I can control the brightness level and temperature of light. This floor lamp features a contemporary design with a tall, slender profile. Its base is made from metal, ensuring stability and durability, while the built-in LED provides a soft, diffuse light. The lamp's dimmable uplighter allows you to customize the lighting to suit your needs, making it an ideal addition to a modern living space. This floor lamp features a modern minimalist design with a sleek aluminum base and three glass spheres that beautifully diffuse light. It is the perfect addition to a modern living room or as a contrasting piece in a more traditional style interior. The Warmblicks pendant lamp offers a contemporary design with a bold, geometric shape that makes a statement in any room. This decorative pendant lamp in frosted glass casts a diffused, soft light that make it a perfect centerpiece for a dining room or living areas. The height of the three lamps is easily adjustable to suit your needs and home decor, and with built-in LED light sources, you'll never have to change a light bulb. This duvet cover features a soft 100% linen fabric that is highly breathable and heat-conducting, make it warm in winter and cool in hot weather for a comfortable deep sleep. Linen is a beautiful natural material that brings an interesting texture to any interior and surely adds a touch of sophistication. Its pre-washed quality makes the material soft and comfortable, adding a casual look to the bedroom. Besides, it won't shrink, lose shape, fade, or lose color. Available in multiple sizes, these items are beautiful both as a decorative piece and as a serving bowl. Made of aluminium with a gorgeous brass finish, they are elegant and sophisticated and will surely elevate the look of a dining room or kitchen. This decorative bowl features a unique organic shape inspired by Swedish lakes, including a pattern that mimics gentle ripples on the water surface. Its bright blue color makes a statement as a centerpiece for a table or an interesting decorative element to a coffee table or entryway cabinet. The Campig hook combines practicality with a touch of elegance. Made from aluminium with a sleek gold finish, this hook is both sturdy and stylish. Its simple design and high-quality construction make it a perfect addition to any room for hanging multiple coats, bags, or accessories. This candlestick is a modern statement piece made of stainless steel. Its gently curved lines capture the organic and natural beauty of growing flowers, and the design, featuring 2 candle cups, emulates flowers that often grow together to enhance their vitality. Most candles already have the power to create an interesting mood. Combined with this piece, they will definitely make a space feel more expensive. The ceramic plates combine a modern design with clean lines and a crafted feel. Their high-quality material and elegant look make them perfect for any dining occasion, from casual meals to formal dinners. With 4 different colors to choose from, the combination of plate, dip plate, and bowl is very beautiful and definitely creates that expensive-looking table. Let me know in the comments which one of these items is your favorite. If you like this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more home decor related content. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.